Hello, today I decided to make a play gym for Kermi out of my mother's washing line thing. So I'm going to give you a glimpse. I used hangers, belts. It's very poor looking actually, and he doesn't seem to like it, but I tried. So I'll show you anyway. I tried to copy other people's videos on YouTube, but mine's very horrific looking. So, yeah, here we go. It's here's the belts wrapped around a hanger. Just hold on. It's kind of like that little swing thing here. I don't know. I just thought you might like it. And then this, but he just wants to sit on my shoulder and chill out. Doesn't like it. He's not happy. Do you not like it? No. What? You hate it? I tried. And I also got one of my brother's old toys. He's 11 now, so he doesn't really play with it. And it's I don't know what the fuck it is actually. But it has a little ladder, so I thought it would be cool. I haven't tried him on it. He's probably going to fly away like he always does because he's a moody fucker. But yeah, there it is. Exciting looking. See the ladder? Yeah, I'll try to get him. Step up. Ow. Come on. Step up. The fucker's biting me. You're so moody. No. You listen to me. He's in an awful mood today. Stop it. No. You can't play with him. No. Tell him how bold you are. You're being bold today. He's going to bite me. Look at him going for me already. Yeah. Kermi, no. He's lucky, he's cute. There you go. There's the grumpy birdie himself. Say hi. Say hi, Grumpy. Yep. Thanks for watching anyway. If I get him on the gym that I made, which I doubt I will I'll video it, I suppose, and show you. But I doubt he's going to go on it. He's in a foul mood. Doing a little dance. Doing a little dance. So, yeah. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.